Welcome to Flux Reach, where we explore the world of smart and responsible investing made simple for everyone. In this video, we will dive deeply into the process of opening, managing, and maximizing your United Kingdom individual savings accounts, known as ISAs, and self-invested personal pensions, known as SIPPs. If you live in the United Kingdom and want to grow your wealth in a tax-efficient way, you are in the right place. Our focus today will be on understanding how these accounts work, how they can benefit you, and how to build long-term investing habits. Whether you are a beginner or already have some experience, this guide will help you make informed financial decisions. Let us begin this exciting journey together. Before investing, it is important to understand what an individual savings account actually is. An ISA is a government-approved account that allows United Kingdom residents to save or invest money without paying tax on the returns. This means that any interest, dividends, or capital gains made inside the ISA are completely tax-free. There are several types of ISAs available, including cash ISAs, stocks and shares ISAs, lifetime ISAs, and innovative finance ISAs. Each type serves a different purpose and suits different financial goals. Choosing the right type of ISA can help you grow your money while keeping your investments simple and efficient. Let us now look at the stocks and shares ISA, which is the most popular option for investors seeking long-term growth. Through a stocks and shares ISA, you can invest in shares of companies, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and bonds. The best part is that any profit or dividend you earn will remain free from income tax and capital gains tax. You can invest up to a specific annual limit set by the government, and if you do not use your full allowance within that tax year, it cannot be carried over. Therefore, maximizing your yearly ISA allowance can be a very effective wealth-building strategy. Always remember that investing involves risk, so it is wise to diversify your holdings. A self-invested personal pension, or SIPP, works differently but also provides valuable tax advantages. A SIPP is designed for retirement savings and offers investors full control over where their pension money is invested. You can choose from a wide range of assets, including shares, investment funds, government bonds, and commercial property. One of the key benefits of a SIPP is that the government adds tax relief to your contributions. This means if you are a basic rate taxpayer, every contribution you make will receive an additional 25% bonus from the government. It is an excellent way to grow your retirement pot over time. When deciding between an ISA and a SIPP, consider your financial goals and timeline. ISAs are more flexible because you can withdraw your money at any time without penalty, making them suitable for medium or long-term goals. On the other hand, SIPPs are designed for retirement, and your funds will be locked until you reach the minimum pension age currently set by the government. For many people, using both accounts together creates a balanced approach to saving and investing. ISAs can provide access to funds when needed, while SIPPs can secure your financial future during retirement. Opening an ISA or a SIPP is now easier than ever through online investment platforms. Most United Kingdom investment platforms allow you to set up an account in just a few steps. You will need to provide identification, personal details, and your national insurance number. Once your account is verified, you can deposit money and start investing. It is recommended to compare fees, available investment options, and platform features before choosing where to open your account. Taking time to research platforms ensures that you find one that aligns with your investing style and comfort level. Before putting money into the market, it is crucial to understand your risk tolerance. Every investor has a different level of comfort when it comes to seeing their investments fluctuate in value. If you prefer stability, you may lean towards bonds and index funds. If you are comfortable with higher risk for potentially higher rewards, investing in company shares may be more suitable. The key is to build a portfolio that matches your goals and time horizon. Being honest about your risk tolerance helps prevent emotional decisions during market ups and downs. Once your ISA or SIPP is set up, you can begin exploring different investment strategies. One popular approach is passive investing, which focuses on tracking market indexes such as the FTSE 100 or the S&P 500. Passive funds and exchange-traded funds usually have lower fees than actively managed funds, and they can perform very well over time. The idea is that by owning a broad market index, you automatically gain diversification across many companies and sectors. This strategy requires patience and consistency rather than frequent buying and selling. Another strategy you might consider is active investing, where you or a fund manager actively select specific stocks or funds in an attempt to outperform the market. Active investing can offer greater rewards, but also carries higher risks and costs. Some investors enjoy the challenge of researching companies, analyzing trends, and making their own decisions. Others prefer leaving the management to professional fund managers. Regardless of which strategy you choose, it is important to stay disciplined and avoid chasing short-term market trends. Diversification plays a critical role in reducing risk within both ISA and SIPP investments. This means spreading your money across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions. For example, instead of putting all your money into United Kingdom shares, you could include global equity funds, bonds, or even property funds. Diversification helps protect your portfolio from major losses if one sector or company performs poorly. A well-diversified portfolio also gives you smoother returns over time and helps you stay confident during market fluctuations. Another important concept is regular investing, which involves adding money to your ISA or SIPP at consistent intervals, such as every month. This method is often referred to as pound cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you automatically buy more units when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. Over time, this can lower your average cost per unit and reduce the emotional pressure of timing the market. It is a simple yet powerful way to build long-term wealth while maintaining steady progress toward your goals. Fees can significantly impact your investment returns, so always keep an eye on costs. Investment platforms typically charge account management fees, fund charges, and dealing fees. Although these may seem small, they can add up over many years. Choose low-cost funds and platforms whenever possible to keep more of your returns. Transparent pricing and simple fee structures are usually signs of trustworthy investment providers. Remember that saving even a small percentage in fees each year can lead to thousands of pounds in additional returns over time. Rebalancing your portfolio is another key step to maintaining your desired investment mix. Over time, certain assets may grow faster than others, causing your portfolio to drift away from its original allocation. For example, if your equity investments grow faster than your bonds, your portfolio may become riskier than intended. Rebalancing means selling some of the outperforming assets and buying more of the underperforming ones to restore balance. Doing this once or twice a year helps you stay aligned with your risk profile and investment plan. It is also wise to review your investments and contributions at least once a year. Life changes such as a new job, marriage, or property purchase can affect your financial goals and risk tolerance. Reviewing your ISA and SIPP regularly ensures that your investments still match your circumstances. You can increase contributions when your income rises or adjust your strategy if you approach retirement. Staying proactive and making informed adjustments will keep your investment journey smooth and effective. Tax efficiency is one of the biggest advantages of both ISAs and SIPPs. With an ISA, all growth and withdrawals are free from tax, while with a SIPP, your contributions receive tax relief and your investments grow tax-free until withdrawal. Understanding these benefits allows you to structure your savings in a way that maximizes overall tax advantages. For high earners, SIPPs can be particularly useful in reducing taxable income, while ISAs provide flexibility and immediate access without penalties. When withdrawing from your SIPP, you can usually access your money from the minimum pension age. Currently, a portion of your pension pot can be withdrawn tax-free, while the remainder is subject to income tax. Planning how and when to draw down your pension is crucial for minimizing taxes and ensuring that your retirement funds last. Many people choose to take only the tax-free portion first and leave the rest invested to continue growing. Always consider speaking with a regulated financial advisor before making major pension decisions. As your portfolio grows, you may also wish to explore ethical or sustainable investing within your ISA or SIPP. This involves choosing funds or companies that align with your values, such as environmental sustainability, social responsibility, or good governance. Many investment platforms now offer ethical or socially responsible fund options. This way, you can grow your wealth while contributing positively to society and the planet. Investing responsibly does not mean sacrificing performance. Many sustainable funds have performed strongly in recent years. Thank you very much for watching this video on Flux Reach about mastering ISA and SIPP investing in the United Kingdom. I hope this guide has helped you understand how to open, manage, and maximize your tax-efficient investment accounts effectively. If you enjoyed the content and found it useful, please remember to like the video, subscribe to Flux Reach, and turn on notifications so you never miss future updates. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts, leave a comment in the comments section below. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next video.